Today we're going to be cooking a spatchcock chicken on a Weber kettle. Let's go. Alright, let's get the offset plate set up. Basket in first, offset plate next. Chuck all in. Put a tray in the bottom, catch some juices. Then we'll get a heavy duty grill in. We'll throw the lid on, open up the vent. This will be my first time spatchcocking a chicken, so let's see how we go. Apparently it's just a matter of cutting down two sides of the back here and spread it apart. That's apparently it. Flip it over and give it a squish. 2 hands. Alright, so we're going to give it a nice coating of some olive oil now. Today we're going to be using one of our favourite rubs, the Atomic Chicken Charcoal Chicken Rub. If you haven't tried this, I would highly suggest getting on it. It's one of the best rubs to use with chicken, roast veg. Apparently it's good to put on steaks with a bit of hardcore carnivore. I would highly recommend giving it a shot. Let's get out to the kettle and get this on. All right, let's get this chook on the kettle. All right, today we're going to be testing the Typhur Sync Gold Lite single probe meat thermometer. This thing's pretty cool, connects up to Wi-Fi, app on the phone, pretty easy to use. So we'll chuck that in our chook and we'll see how it goes today. All right, that was pretty easy. So as you can see here, I've got the probe in, we've set the temperature to 74 target. All I did was pop in the app, new cook, poultry, chicken, whole, worked it all out for me. Pretty good. We'll see how it goes in about an hour. All right, let's have a look at the Typhur app. So you can see here, we've got our Sync Gold Lite. We'll click on that. And we've got our temperature set. We'll give it a look in about 45 minutes and we'll see how it's traveling. Check that out. Got that live. Remaining cook time estimate now available. Let's click on that and see what that's about together. Ah, there you go. Remaining time 59 minutes. Even gives you an indicator. That's awesome. All right, we'll see you in 59 minutes then. Let's have a little squeeze. All right, temp probe says we're done. So let's get it off the kettle. Pull those juices off too. Good thing about this is it's completely waterproof, so give it a nice easy clean and back into the charging dock. Check that out, juicy. Check out that breast. Whoa. Bonus of the brisket board. Save all those juices and we'll get the money shot. Got a piece of juicy thigh. Piece of breast, and we'll go 1 drumstick. Check that out. Damn, that's delicious. Stay smoky, legends.